Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you very much for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic and phenomenal day. We're going to take a look here at XRP, a really quick look. We're going to jump into the backend data, kind of see where we're at. And I want you to do me a favor, hit the like button before we get started. It really helps grow the channel. XRP has the lowest amount of likes per view, the average there. And I don't know why that is, but for some reason that happens. So just go ahead and change that for me. Hit the like button, comment below. Let me know what your position is with XRP. Let's take a look here though. We can see 230 to 240 is that consistent resistance range. We talked about that previously. It's just above the local high. So if you're going to consider securing profits, 230 to 240 is a logical area of consideration. Once more, it depends on your liquidation, or sorry, the amount of leverage you're using. Obviously, you want to use low leverage, but for the most part, a lot of those factors kind of are subject to your risk tolerance. But the whole point we mentioned that is local highs typically provide resistance initially. So if we do see 235, then we're likely to hit that area and turn around. There's a good chance of that. All that being said, we got more liquidation below than above. That does potentially increase the odds of the price coming down. We can see there's a lot more liquidation on the downside than the upside. So people are shorting XRP right now. So there's more people considering shorts than longs. That's not really a great sign, but it's also not bad, depends on how you look at it, of course. But we do have a lot of open interest here at about 223 to 225. And there is some above us as well. But generally speaking, open interest tells us a lot about areas in which people are averaged the most. And right now we're currently in that range where people have the most interest at 223. Take a look at the daily, kind of see what's going on. When we look at this here, the macro perspective, we have broken free from the descending trend. So for the most part here, we are looking pretty solid and ready to leg up again based on, once more, the larger time frames. We got more volume below us at 215. We've got the 20 and the 50-day SMA below us, and we're over 50 in the RSI. While these aren't like super mega bullish signs, these are good signs here letting us know we're on the right side of the tracks. The 4-hour time frame also reflecting very similar structure here. However, we've lost the 20 and the 50-day SMA. That's probably why we're seeing more people considering shorts than longs based on the fact that we lost our ascending trend. And also, look at how Bitcoin pumped up to about 97,000 and how poorly XRP continued higher. It didn't move hardly at all. So that's not really a good sign. That shows short-term instability, if you will, or more importantly, just the likelihood of the price action pulling back is greater than it going up. Just know we have a lot of support below us too, so shorting into key level support, a lot of support, doesn't make a ton of sense. MACD's converging, 4-hour time frame, showing us right here at that resistance level. There's a lot of mixed bags here, or mixed signals, and generally speaking, it's best not to trade these kind of situations. So me personally, I like to avoid when I see a lot of conflicting information, and I think it might be advantageous for you to consider the same. If the price pulls back, good dollar cost average targets are 215, $2 and roughly 202, 201, just a little bit above $2. And then obviously the third and final area would be that 0.68, that golden pocket at roughly $1.90. So those are three areas to consider DCA on the way down. Between now and then, just avoid leverage. That's my personal opinion. What are your thoughts? Comment below, let me know. Make sure you join us over at Bitunix too, folks. An awesome little deposit reward bonus right now between now and May 14th. So if you're part of my community, be sure you take advantage of that. It's really simple, just deposit funds, you get a leverage bonus. Last two, also, make sure you check out us on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. And by us, I mean me. It's all available there for you. I have some pretty good updates coming through there. Twitter, Telegram, Discord, also TikTok now too. Some folks prefer that. That's all down below too. All right, folks, hope you have a good rest of your day. We'll look forward to seeing the next one. Thanks again for your time. Take care.